Children, today we are going to study the first chapter, Introduction to Computers. In this chapter we are going to discuss four topics as input devices, processing devices, output devices and storage devices. Children, before going to these topics, we can start the lesson with the definition of computers. Children, what is a computer definition? A computer is an electronic device which accepts data through the input devices, processes in and displays the output through the output devices. A computer follows IPO cycle, means input, process, output. Means a computer accepts the data through the input devices and processes in and displays the output through the output devices. So this is IPO cycle. Children, we know that nowadays without the computers nobody can live. Each and every moment we are using different applications of computers. So everywhere, all the fields here and then computers, we are using computers actually. So first we can discuss with input devices, children. You know which are the input devices. Examples of input devices you may be familiar with, right children? Which are the input devices examples? Yes, keyboard is the, mouse is the, joystick is the. Actually, what is the use of an input device, children? Input device is used to access the data or used to input the data to the computer. Through the input devices, we are inputting the data to the computer. And one more thing, children, we, the human beings, are entering the data to the computers in human language, human readable language. So it will be very difficult for the computers to identify, to read. So this human readable language should be converted into machine language. So input devices are using, actually these input devices are converting our human readable language into machine language. So that is also one of the functions of input devices. Input devices are converting our human readable language into machine language, which is readable by the computers. So already I told you, children, which are the different input devices. Yes, keyboard is the keyboard, mouse, the scanner, joystick, microphone. These are the different input devices we are using. What is a keyboard, children? We are all familiar with the keyboard. Yes, keyboard is an input device which consists of different keys and it is used to input the different character or type the characters or text, numbers, etc. to the computers. That is about keyboard. Next one is mouse. Mouse is also we are using daily and it is an integral part of our computer. It is a pointing device which is used to select the text, select the pictures, select the icons, files, etc. That is mouse. What about scanner, children? Scanner is also an input device which is used to capture the images from a photographic prints, posters, magazines, etc. Which is this scanner is used to capture the images from a photographic prints, posters, magazines, etc. Joystick. Children, you are familiar with this joystick, right? It is used to control the video games. The last one is microphone. Microphone is used to record the voice signals. So these are the different input devices which we are using regularly. Now this is about input devices, children. So you had to read, you had to go through the introduction and input devices functions carefully. And the next three topics, processing devices, output devices and storage devices, I will discuss in the next class. Thank you, children.